my god, I just blew up the solar system. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Skylines Nerd, and today we are going to be making the solar system from scratch in Universe Sandbox. So, it's going by memory here. We are going to spawn the sun, and then we are going to make every single planet, dwarf planet, a decent bit of asteroids, some T-nose and some et-nose. If you don't know what those terms mean, T-nose, trans-Neptunian objects, et-nose, extreme trans-Neptunian objects. So we're going to put this on, obviously, right there. And now, you're probably expecting me to use these, but I'm not. I'm just not. We're going to go random rocky planet and about 0.378 AU. That is where Mercury orbits. Currently, it's known as Nixie. Going to... There we go. And slow that down. Has an orbital period of 2 days. I think not. Mercury has an orbital period of 88 days. And how far away does that put it? 0.387. Oh, I did 0.0387 AU. I'm gonna cut that out from the video. I'm probably not going to, so just remember that. But whatever. This is Nixie, which is now Mercury. And Mercury is a planet. And it's a quite hot planet. We are going to attempt to make something that kind of looks like Mercury. So now let's see what I want 0% for Earth similar. Why is that going up? That shouldn't be going up. It's what even is that on it? Is that water? Yes. I don't know. Right there. Right now we need position, magnetic pole angle. I'm trying to find sea level because if I put yes, there we go, 0 millimeters. Right now it's at 57 degrees, which is not I'm not good try and mess with temperature, because then I know if I do that, then this is going to be a much longer video than it should, and it's probably already too long for this. So, I don't know, is that vegetation? It isn't. Is that water then? No. I don't know what that is, but whatever. That's Mercury. This planet I don't care about the color. We are now going to add another random rocky planet. This will be Venus. It orbits at about 0.7 AU away. About 0.746. Why are they all yellow? I mean, not yellow, green. Venus is like 0.996 or something Earth's. But yeah. It has a orbital period of 223, not months, years. Not years, no. Days. No, not 6,700 days. 245 days. Nope, I got it wrong. It's 223 days. And that now has its, okay, 0.7. Now, Mercury actually has an inclination of 3 degrees. Yeah, it's quite inclined. And Venus, which I definitely need to fix by need vaporize all water. This should not have an average temperature of 27 degrees. What is its... Good, 0%. I was going to say, it should not... No. How do you add atmosphere density? Okay, so we're going to atmosphere mass, Earth's... It's Mars atmosphere. Earth atmosphere, then 1. Earth. I just made it all of a sudden much colder. And then we're gonna times 10, times 10, times 10, time. I don't know, times 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I don't know what. I'm trying to make it hot. But why is it blue? Okay, whatever, that's Venus. So far this is a terribly inaccurate solar system, but whatever. Next we add Earth. Orbits at exactly 1 AU away. Pent. I almost kind of want to keep that name, but I'm not. Oh wow, it already has stuff on it. That's a big hurricane. That's like a really, really big hurricane. But this is not Pent, sadly, because I really wanted to keep that name. But besides that, this is Earth, the planet we live on, and it has a radius of 1 Earth, and a lock that mass of 1 Earth. And it's actually decent in temperature, a bit on the warm side. Hottest temperature of 101 degrees with a life likelihood 23%. We can do better than that. It's a rotational period of 24 hours. Dang it, that's 576. 24 hours. And what is its orbital period? A year. Great. Wonderful. 41.6%. Does it have an atmosphere? That needs to be 1 mass of Earth. What does it look like now? Oh, wow, it looks nice. Does it still have a big hurricane? I can see that big hurricane. Yep, it does. So have a beautiful polar storm. Does it have 2 polar storms? Yep. Maybe that's just the same pole. I don't care. Same thing. I don't know. So currently, if we look on the elliptic plane, it's this. And also, we need motion of liquidy 20.4 degrees. And no, 23.6 degrees. Ugh. And what is it now? 75%. I'll take that. Next is Mars, the red planet. Orbits at about 1.3 AU away, I think. I'm not quite sure. I was going to have it pulled up, but I didn't want to have to keep switching between tabs. Put it like 1.6 AU. Orne, wonderful. It has an orbital period of 678 days. I think it's 678 days. I think it's 678 days. No, it's 687. Somebody fact check me. Editor me, put that up on screen. I know you can see it now, but I sure can't. Yeah, Mars, and that looks about right. Orbital period of, gotta put this in days. That was actually kind of close. 687 days. There we go. Shifts it in a little bit. And do some planetscaping. So we're gonna go tools, planetscape, Mars. Okay, so what is it? What's its rotational period? Okay, so there's its poles. It needs ice on its poles. There we go. I'm just gonna paint on it. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. But I gave it ice. Woohoo. Is that vegetation then? I don't know what it is. I just don't. I just don't want it to be. Wait, hold on. I can do terrain maps, can't I? Dang it. Ooh. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. That's what it is. That looks like Mars. There we go. Okay. Guess that means I should probably do that to Venus. Okay, whatever. I guess it's not gonna let me. Okay, now we're gonna do an asteroid. Okay, not an asteroid. A dwarf planet. Ceres. It's about 3-ish AU from our star. And it has water on it. Great. Can't wait to see that freeze. Go ahead and wait for it to freeze. And now, sick. If that's what you want to call this soon-to-be dwarf planet. Hey, dwarf planet orbiting the sun. Great. Woohoo, wonderful. I mean, it's more of an asteroid. There we go. 2. So I don't want. It's not a dwarf planet though. Half it. Half it again. Maybe that's good. I don't know. It has. Oh goodness. Over a period of 4.6 years. Great. Why is it fluctuating with life? Like, whatever. Surface. Sea level doesn't know. There's no sea on here. Atmosphere? 0. There is no atmosphere. That looks better. I need to put Occator on there, don't I? Yeah, I need to put Occator on there. Whatever, I can't do that from there. But it already looks good. We now add Jupiter. Random gas giant. It orbits about 5 AU from the sun. So up there. Oh, I forgot to name the series. It's a Lutzig. Again, if that's what you want to call it. Series. Doot. And Adekur is not Adekur. Adekur is Jupiter. Yeah, I know. That's quite cringy. Yeah, I know. It's probably going to be a pretty, and when I say pretty, I mean very, very long video since I'm like making the entire solar system, but just stick with me here. It has the radius of 1 Jupiter and the mass of 1 Jupiter. And it has a orbital period of 12 years. And a rotational period of 10. I almost put 171 days. That would have been terrible. I need to remember to put it on hours before I do that. 10. I don't think it has an atmosphere, does it? Does Jupiter have an atmosphere? I don't know. But so far we have this. We have the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Ceres, and Jupiter. Time to add Saturn. This ought to be interesting. It orbits at 12 AU away. I don't know the exact value. I only know the exact values for some planets. Like, I know that Pluto orbits at 39.5 AU. Debate me if you want. Pluto is a planet. But whatever. This is Saturn. It orbits every 29 years. I was pretty far off. And rotates every 3 hours. At that point, it would be an egg. It rotates every 12 hours. Woo! Now, you're probably wondering, how are you going to put rings around this? Are you going to impact it? It's simple. Add rings. Ding. Now it has rings. I also know it's it's tilted at 26.7 degrees. There we go. So far, this is our entire solar system. Yeah, I know, only 6 planets. Time to add. Oh, I have to make sure. Is it smaller than Saturn? Is it smaller than Jupiter? It doesn't need to be that small. It's like 0.7, the size of Jupiter. I don't know. Make sure the ring still survived. Nope, it didn't. There we go. This will getting pulled in. Nope. Okay. Next is Uranus. It orbits it. I have no idea. We're gonna guess 16 AU, cause I still don't know. So satisfying to just seeing how it fluctuates between which things are closest. That's nearly 50 AU away, but whatever. Okay, this is Oranu. Feels like that's kind of like a civilization or something. Well, it isn't. It's Uranus. You and Uranus. Uranus has a radius less than Jupiter of about 0.53, maybe? However, it's 35,000 miles, I know. Or 31,500 miles, which is like 4 Earths. So 4 point. Okay, and it has a famous obliquity of 98 degrees. Yes, it spins on its side. Why is it fluctuating? It's like okay. Oh, it's really climbing now. It's up to almost 98.002 degrees. Okay. Well, it's naturally increasing its tilt. Great. I guess we'll just keep that up to keep an eye on it. But look at that. Look at that. That is incredible. Why is it doing that? It's almost up to 98.005. Whatever, we're just gonna move that down. Okay. It has a orbital period of 84 years. That moves it out a bit to, I don't know, because I'm too lazy to look it up. And it has a rotational period of, rotational period of 17 hours. Woohoo, and I'm not going to bother with its rings. Next is Neptune, which orbits at an I don't know distance from the sun. We're going to guess 30 AU. Itasco. Neptune. Oh, it's starting to go down now. Okay. It got up to almost 98.01 degrees, which is just absurd. Wait, I realize it's the obliquity cycle. 3 years later, then it goes, dude. Whatever. This is Neptune. It has a radius of like 0.3 Jupiters or something like that. I don't know. An orbital period of like 18 hours and rotational. Just did 18 years. Hold on. Let me pull this up. I don't know if you can see this, but if you can, great. This is Wikipedia. Neptune. It has a orbital period of 367. Oh, 164 years. Okay. 164. Puts it at exactly 30 AU. Okay. Great, wonderful, love it. I don't know its rotational period, but I'm guessing it's like 18 hours. I said 18 hours, not 318 hours. 18 hours. And Uranus's tilt has now dropped below 98 degrees. It's at 97.999 degrees. I still don't know why I'm keeping track of it. Now we go back to random rocky planet at 39.5 AU. 39.5. Revocaine. It's already freezing. Like, that did not take long. But yeah, its name is Pluto. Yep, that planet. Pluto. Pluto has the radius of, like, half of Earth's moon, I think. Hold on, trying to remember something. It's like 800 kilometers or something. 800. That's 7,800. 800. It's a dwarf planet. Yeah. And it doesn't have an atmosphere. Life likelihood? Why is there a life likelihood on this thing? Atmosphere mass 0. That looks nothing like Pluto. Nothing like it. Show elevation map. Great. It has like peaks of like a kilometer. Wow, so tall. Oh, it's obliquities rocketing up. Look at that. I almost said, oh, it might be leveling off now. I don't think so. But this is no sea level. I'm sorry, nope. And total water mass 0. Make it look any different? I guess not. Okay, so I'm not gonna mess with the coloring of it. So I need to make it eccentric. Let's see, what's the eccentricity of Pluto? Again, if you can see this, woohoo! If you can't, I'm sorry. It has an perihelion of 29. Perihelion of 29 AU and an aphelion of 46 AU. So 29 to 46. 29, 46, 29, 46, 29, 46. Of 29 AU, think. Yeah, it's quite eccentric. Of 46 AU. There we go, it's like really eccentric, and now we're gonna add some tilt to that. Yeah! That's what you call a Pluto. And it has a orbital period of, wow, I almost nailed that. It has an orbital period of like 243 years. So I'll take that. And a rotational period of, actually it's a really long rotational period. It's like 6 days. Did I just delete Pluto? No, I just deleted it. I just deleted it. I just deleted it. No. Oh my god, I just blew up the solar system. I accidentally made it, I may or may not have accidentally made Pluto, I may or may not have did 800 and, I may or may not have done 800 Earth radii and not 8, please don't, oh, I was fixing this as, I destroyed it. Oh my goodness. Okay, this video is getting too long. Let me check, see how long it is. Yeah, 28 minutes. That's longer than it needs to be. So, like, subscribe, comment, share for part 2 of this. I'm probably going to do it regardless of what you say because I really want to finish this. But still, until next time, this is Skylines Nerd. Goodbye.